Ultimate Valkyrie versus Helios Volcano. Let's see who is going to win. Let's do it. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Ultimate Valkyrie, bring out. Winner is the Ultimate Valkyrie, 1-0. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, nice hit. Oh! Oh, man. Winner is the Ultimate Valkyrie. That is already 2-0. Still spin. Oh, still spin. Nice one, nice one. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, burst! Oh, burst! Oh, man! It bursted! Helios Volcano Ultimate Valkyrie is the winner. Insane! Oh! Oh man! It was destroyed! No! Ultimate Valkyrie destroyed our Helios Volcano. This is very expensive. Oh man, seriously? No, why? Let me just show you. Oh man, seriously. Okay guys, let me just fix the stadium. Oh man. It bursted and it actually destroyed the Helios 2 core chip. Oh man. Hold on, it's not focusing well. There you go. It broke. Why? Ultimate Valkyrie, why? Oh man, so I guess we cannot continue the battle. Oh man, seriously. That's all for our video. Ultimate Valkyrie destroyed the Helios Volcano Beyblade. The Helios Volcano Beyblade broke because of the Ultimate Valkyrie. Press F for respect. Just comment it in the comment section below. Oh man, this is really expensive and hard to get now. Thank you guys for watching. You're awesome. Bye.